Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us on Market Day Report. I'm Christina Loren. Financial issues, business problems, and fear of losing the farm are all taking a toll on producers. That's according to a new national poll weighing the impacts of the rural economy on the mental health of rural residents. Joining us now is Ray Atkinson with the American Farm Bureau Federation. Thanks for joining us, Ray. So why did the Farm Bureau commission this survey?
Well, Christina, I think we're all aware that the farm economy is really having an impact and weighing heavily on farmers. And so we commissioned Morning Consult to conduct a nationwide poll to help us to get insight into what factors are affecting farmers' mental health, the importance that they place and rural Americans place on mental health. Who are people comfortable talking with? What are their trusted sources of information? The obstacles that they are facing in seeking help and treatment for mental health, and then finally, the role of stigma in all of this.
What were some of the key points of the questioning? What were you really asking farmers and ranchers?
Yes, so there's 4 key points I'd like to share. First is, as you mentioned, we wanted to really confirm what we've been hearing anecdotally about the impact of the farm economy on farmers. And what the survey said was that an overwhelming majority of farmers and farm workers said that financial issues, farm and business problems, and fear of losing the farm were the top 3 factors that impact farmers' mental health. This is obviously a major concern given the state of the farm economy right now. Yeah. Second, 91% of rural adults said that mental health is important to them and their family, and that number was 82% for farmers and ranchers. So that's very encouraging. That tells us that people place importance on this. Third, a majority of the respondents said that there's at least some stigma around mental health, but when we asked about stigma around seeking treatment for mental health, that number was much lower. And 3 in 4 rural adults said that it's important to reduce stigma about mental health in the agriculture community, which I think is encouraging. And then fourth, 80% of rural adults said that they would be comfortable talking with a friend or a family member that's dealing with stress or a mental health condition. But that number was 13 percentage points lower, 67%, for farmers and farm workers. So I think that points to the need for more training and awareness and education around how to talk to folks that are struggling.
Some surprising numbers coming out of that survey. You can visit fb.org for more information. American Farm Bureau Federation Strategic Communications Director Ray Atkinson, thank you for joining us.